Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Neil with Simpler Trading, Simpler Futures, and it is Thursday, the 8th of June. The ES has been so quiet and sideways, and it's just basically a range trade, this very small range too, that I thought we'd shift gears and take a look at gold. I've got a pattern here that, if you notice, the low yesterday was 55.4 and the close was 55.5, so it went out on the low. And then today it keeps the low and then rallies up to a high of 80 and high of 85 but a close of 80. So it closes up almost on the high. So yesterday opened high, closed low. Today opened at the low, closed at the high. Notice the symmetry of the two offsetting one another. So the down day yesterday followed by the up day today, about the same size move. I call that an equal and opposite, and it makes for a pretty good little trade setup. So the way I do this is a breach of the range high of the two of them here. So that would be 55.4. We need a breach of the high, 86.5, a breach of the high, 86.5. So two ways to do this. One, buy stop triggers. Anything above 86.5 is a trigger long. Or two, what you can do is let it trigger and then come back in and try to wait for it and get it in the middle of the range back here at about 1970. Either way, the stop, the risk is the low of the range down here, which would be 1954, and the target is going to be 2032. And of course that can take a couple of days, a week or something to play out, but the target is 2032 so in other words, if it triggers long above 86, you got two choices. One, go ahead and stop yourself in, or two, wait and try to get it on a limit on retrace at 70. Either way, the risk is 54 and the target is 2032. Hope this helps. Good trade. Nice evening. Look forward to being with you again at the next update. But before then, you have a good weekend. Take care.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me